Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, a number is multiplied by 7 and 10 is added to their product and their result is 59. So we have to find the original number. So let the original number be equals x. Let the original number be x. Therefore, according to the question, a number is multiplied by 7. So x multiplied by 7 and then 10 is added to their product. So let's add 10 to it and the result is equals 59. So this is the required equation. So 7x will be equals 59 minus 10. So 7x will be equals 49. Now divide both sides of the equality by 7. So x will be equals 49 upon 7, which is nothing but 7. Therefore the original number will be equals 7. So this will be the final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.